Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 20 by 16 inch or approximately a 50 by 40 centimetre piece of plywood to which I've added some black paint. With the ply, the paint doesn't seem to adhere to it as easily as it does to canvas, so it rocks and rolls a lot more. So what I do, I have it up here on this little thing, wire thing, and as soon as I'm finished with it, I'm going to put it down the end of the table so that it lays exactly flat. That way it won't get even the slightest little, you know, wobble in there will have the paint chipping right off altogether, so I don't want that to happen. And I do want a piece of paper for, come here paper, maybe two. I don't want to wear this black paint, so I don't trust myself. I'm good at wearing paint. Now that I moved it, let me see. Oh yes, maybe out a little bit more. There we go. Once it, no barking it, stop it. So what do I have here? I have black and white, orange, purple, green, yellow, cobalt blue and bright red. I think the lemon is lemon yellow. Yeah, lemon yellow. So I've also got some teaspoons and a little fork. He's cute, isn't he? And I have 3 pieces of cardboard, which I've cut, as you can see, to different widths. And what am I going to do? Oh, there's silicone in each of the colours except for the black and white. I am going, and I'll start while I'm speaking, to just, I'm using a spoon to control, not the paint itself, but the amounts. I'm one of those, you use too much paint people. So what I'm going to do is just dribble some colours around, and I think that's probably the distance I will like. Okay. And I might put some green next. Noisy traffic. I don't know if you've noticed or not, but let me explain. When I started the red off here, I got the main part here. Then when I started the green off, I got the deeper part here. And then as it trails off, you get a smaller part. So what I'm trying to do is start at different areas so that I get the main part in a different place, if that makes sense. I hope it does. A bit more orange down here. Okay. I might have some purple. Okay. Let's see what I got next. Oh, yellow. Yellow and I don't see eye to eye. I quite often lose yellow, do a painting. Oops, I need another spoon. I do a painting and then use yellow, and then at the end you couldn't see yellow if you wanted to, so I don't know what that is. It just does it. Okay. That's a lovely blue. And I haven't got any white and I need another spoon. I counted those well, didn't I? Alright. Now the black happens to be in the bottle. Just bits of black. Now there's heaps of paint there. So let's just see what we can do with our little swipies. Oops, put my fingers right into that. Oh, some nice cells there. I don't know what happened to those colours. There goes the yellow. So, now I'm getting some beautiful, oh, that piece there needs to go too, doesn't it? Some beautiful cells. It's not as bright as I thought it might be, so I might just put some white in here and some red. Do this part again. See, now I've got the colour. Yes, so this one here can have some more colour. Let's try this silly yellow with what? Orange. And a touch of blue. Really clever, look at that, I like that. Over here perhaps some, well, white because it comes up so nice. And red, one of blue. Oh, that is a really nice kaleidoscope. I'm going to put some orange here. Once again with white to lighten it on the black background, you see, I think that's where I fell over. And some green. I'm not really a green person, so just going to enjoy using it today. And a little short one to come down here. It's certainly got the colours in, hasn't it? Alright, I don't know that I'm going to do any more to this one. She says as she's looking at it, No, I'm just going to torch it and see what we have. I don't know that I'll get any more cells, but some of this lacing might spread out with the heat. As soon as I find my lighter, I always lose my lighter. So the recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find below, show more underneath this video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us over there. And I love this one. Right, so what I'm going to do now is just switch you off, and then I'm going to transfer this over to the end of the table so it's laying dead flat, because it has started just a slight bow here in the, it's not much, but that will move. So I'm going to move the painting and put it safe, and then I'll bring you down to take a look. It's a dead set wow factor. Alright, I'll see you shortly. So I've moved the painting, and it's now resting flat on the table, and I'm hoping that it won't move, so we'll just have a look at it. Up here you'll see the beautiful lacing, that blue and white. Lots of smaller cells, which I like, I prefer those, but as you can see, can I get it in like there? They're extremely colourful, and well, there was enough different colours on there for them to be that. And more lace there onto the black, which is really very delicate down here. And some of the yellow didn't dye. This is a rather pretty corner. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. Please like, share, come across to Australia Art Dreaming. We would like to meet you. And thank you again. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.